Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me once again in my fieldwork. Today is day 34, which means it's the 4th of May. We are going to check, I am super excited about it, we're going to check the hatch of nest box 44, which, I don't know if you remember, but it was the nest in which we had both eggs of blue-tit and nuthatch. And although the nuthatch kept the box because she was incubating the eggs and she laid more after, she was incubating everything. So let's see. I hope we have both of the species hatched. We'll see. Let's go. I'm at nest box 44, which is this one. And I'm recording from here because we'll see if the female is still inside. The blue-tits have a shorter incubation time. So if they hatch, they may have hatched before the nuthatches. So I don't know how that worked out, if it worked out at all. Let's see who's in here first. Hola. Okay, let's see what we have here. I don't know if you can tell. Let me position myself so you can actually see inside the box, perhaps. Here. Let's see what we have. Four eggs and 3 chicks. Interesting. 4 eggs and 3 chicks. She had 6 eggs of her and 2 eggs of blue-tit. So that means that one of these ones is a blue-tit. I assume this one, the smaller one. Isn't that cool? So, is this chick fine? Okay. Oh yeah, all the chicks are fine. I thought one of them wasn't really moving, but it was. It's all fine. Wow, that's very cool. So we have 4 of her eggs left. There's 1 egg missing, which I assume she broke or she buried or she took out. Probably one of the blue-tits. And the chicks that were bigger, there were 2 of them that were bigger, which I assume are the nuthatches. And there was a smaller one, which I am guessing it's a blue-tit. So we will come here in 8 days to capture the nuthatches, to see who the parents are. And the chicks will be older already, so we will be able to really tell. This is so exciting. That's awesome. I'm at nest box 58, and today's 34. It's hatch day for these chicks, so we're gonna see if that's true. Oh, there's the female. See ya. And yeah, she has chicks already. Let's count the eggs and the chicks. They're so small. Okay, so 1 and 2 eggs and 3 chicks. Okay, 3 chicks and 5 eggs. I'm at nest box 76, and in here we have, I believe what it is, the beginning of a wren's nest. It's kind of rare in our boxes, but they do start nests in them. They just don't usually breed in them. And last time it had a lot of lichens and oak flowers. They make quite cool nests. So let's see if it continued. I guess not. But can you see it's lichen mostly? And it has like these yellow things is the flowers of the oak trees. I'm actually going to, okay, just in case there's eggs. Well, I hope they keep making it. It's quite a cool nest when it's complete, because they make like the whole box. They fill it with the lichen, and they only leave like a small entrance. It's kind of cool.